Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on Google Translate for Chrome. The first thing you do is, from your Chrome browser here, click on the three dots over here, three dots at the top right corner, and then you scroll down to settings, you click on settings over here, and then the next thing on the settings option here, you click on downloads. Under downloads here, click on languages actually. So from languages here, you scroll all the way down and you see the last option, which is use Google Translate. As you can see, it will help you to translate sites into your preferred language. It can also automatically translate sites even before you ask. So this is it, so just click on it and that's it. You can also choose the language you want to translate into. Is it English? If it's not English, choose the language you want. Languages here, choose the one you want, and then you can also choose to automatically translate which languages you want. So you add languages here, language you want to automatically translate. When you choose, tap on add. Then you have never offer to translate these languages. You can add language right now in English, so I don't want to ever offer to translate it. It's already in English. So that's it. That is how to use Google Translate or enable Google Translate for Chrome. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.